All right, so the next one. Now the next one, we do have a compression here. So in this example, now do I have any vertical stretching? Oh, I do. I don't have a reflection of the x-axis, right? Remember, A is vertical stretch, compress, or reflection of the x-axis. Since I don't see that, I'm not going to compute. I'm not going to use an A. Actually, I will. I'll just put it in there, but it's not going to be used. So B times x minus C plus D. OK. So I don't have an A, so I don't need to worry about that. So A can just be 1. I have a horizontal compression of factor of 3. So again, we know that B represents my horizontal compression. And this is why it's helpful to have that factored out form. Rather than using like x, rather than just putting, like if you just put it this way, you'll get it wrong. And you'll see why. It's being shifted to the right one. So that means I should have this as x minus 1. And then that's it. So plus 0, right? So, huh? Negative. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, and you're reflecting about the y-axis, right? So thank you. I kind of skipped over that. So you have a horizontal compression of 3, and then you're reflecting the y-axis. So that's a negative 3 times x minus 1. Right? So if you plug it into the equation like this, that's good. Now, technically, if you wrote that on a free response question, that's correct. Like, I can't mark you down for that unless I say simplify. On a multiple choice question, though, they're probably going to give you only the answer in simplified form, meaning they're going to apply distributive property there. And it would either look like this, or they would flip the x and the 3, and it'd look like this. So just be aware, guys, these are the same thing. These are all correct. Right? These are all correct notations. However, this is probably what you guys would see in a multiple choice. So just make sure, like, if you do the math, like, make sure you guys understand that. And again, if you didn't use these parentheses, you would have had this. Right? But that's wrong. So that's why you got to remember that B is outside there, and then distribute it, so you're fine. OK? Yes? No? Maybe? So?